waterfall with the homie KARAN, enjoying a swizzle. You know, this is the coolest spot in the world, and I'm just capturing the moment. I might put it on the internet, probably not, but who knows. Just making sure I'm not in fake reality land. Look at this. This is where I am right now, bro. This is where I am. But holy shit. Hell yeah. Fuck. This is fucking crazy, man. I don't even know what the fuck I'm walking on, bro. I'm getting up in this bitch, bro. What? Damn, go up in that bitch, bro. Right here? Yeah. Oh! A little slippery on the rocks. A little slippery slope.
Alright, you be precarious.
Be careful. Alright, well...
Hold it.
What are you trying to do again?
I'm gonna balance myself right here.
Oh. Wait. Alright. So, make sure our shit's all... Make sure you know what you're doing before you do it. Well, I don't even know what you're trying to do, bro. Bruh, get off that. What is that thing?
What?
Those are rocks?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
What?
I can't even... Bro. It's been recording this whole time. Motherfucker! Yeah, get a good picture, bro. I can't even fucking sit. Oh shit. Nah, that was dope as fuck. Yo. Yeah, that's Look at me. He's helping me get across this river. This is all I can do to help me. What am I supposed to do, man? I got a fucking slip in my hand, dude. He's just dancing. Ah, shit. Well, yeah. Alright, Karan's leading the way because I'm slower. I'm a little bit handicapped. Oh, fuck. Jesus. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck I'm walking in. I got skate shoes, bro. You know, this is sludge. So, this documentary, you're gonna have fun with us. We're gonna have a lot of fun dealing with what the fuck is going on in our minds right now. And to see me, let's see if we get a front view. Oh, there's no way to do, damn, you can't flip the screen? Fuck. Motherfucker! He got a fucking stick! Alright? He lead me off. Where the fuck are we going, man? This foggy ass. I'm in Hobbit world, bruh. Where the fuck are we going? Tell me. He's just going. Holy shit. Look at this shit. Bro. It makes no sense. This mystical man, he doesn't tell me anything, he just points. I was like, where do you get that fucking stick from, dog? He ain't tell me shit.
Oh,
But,
shit.
holy shit. Is this where you've been leading us, master?
Holy shit.
Holy Christ. Yeah. Oh my god, dude.
Look how far that goes down.
Holy. Oh my god. Ah! Ah! What the fuck? Holy shit! That is insane! What? Oh my god. First, bruh. You feel this shit. The force. You feel the forces. All the forces get tangled up down. Fuck. Look at that shit, bruh. We found it. We asked the woods for a blessing to give us this blessing.
And it blessed us with the cane.
The woods have literally blessed us with the cane of knowledge. And it has given us the great eternal knowledge, Niagara Falls, if you call it.
You should step back though. I'm afraid I'm gonna take a tumble.
Yeah, be careful.
It's like 400 feet.
We could die, dude.
That's 400 feet down.
Let me just get to you, bro, because I might slide down a waterfall just walking towards your ass. Like,
That looks like we're at 12.
bro, this is like fucking some gardens. Bro, this is the most beautiful shit I've ever seen. Holy fucking shit. Look at this shit. The album cover of the year. Jesus, son. Oh, he's falling. He's falling. He's going for it. He's going for it. Yeah. Yeah. Ah. That looks like some dangerous shit.
Nah. It's glacier pools in blue.
Bro, look where we're standing in. Like, look at this shit.
That's a T-Rex print right there.
What is this shit, man? What the fuck? I can't even walk. I don't even know where the fuck I'm walking. Where the fuck am I, dude? Am I yelling at nature? Did you see this shit? See what you did to me, world. God damn it, I'm breaking down. Alright. Get a hold of yourself. Damn nature. You fucking crazy bitch. Jesus. What the fuck am I walking on right now? I'm in Mushroom Fairyland. Look at this motherfucker. He's on a fucking shit. We have these little dojos we set up. He's on his side. He practices his teachings. I stay on my log. I let the water come and go. He tries to stir it up with his mind. You know, he's the wave master. Well, I try to just let it all go. So, one of the same, I suppose.